India's support, Rasha and I gifted Airavata, a lifelike mechanical elephant, to the 1,000 Pillars Jain temple in Karnataka, the first Jain temple to embrace this technology. Airavata joins rituals with grace without causing harm to real elephants, a step towards letting elephants live freely with their families. This is our humble step towards honoring God's creation, the elephants, and we hope it inspires many more temples to follow.
Om Namaha, praise, praise. Non-violence is supreme religion. Every living being wants to becoming a liberation. So you do one thing, don't violence ethically, morally. So PETA is doing great work for non-violence activity. Not only India, all over global. So our work is mechanical elephant encouraging and don't harm any living elephant. Your duty, our duty, everyone's duty, live together, live happily, don't harm, don't violate any living being. Compassion is our motto. Kindness is our duty. Om Shanti.
Today is a very, very happy day. As you can see, a very mechanical robotic elephant have been installed here in 1,000 pillar temple, which is a symbolic giant temple of the world. Is a great idea and a great initiative. I think this is a great move to protect animals against cruelty. So congratulations PETA, congratulations Raveena Tandon ji for this great initiative. We stand with you and we support you.
ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲಿ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಆನೆಯನ್ನು ತಂದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಆನೆಯು ಒಂದು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಡಿನ ಆನೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜನಗಳು ಬಂದು ಇದು ಬಸದಿಗೊಂದು ಶುಭ ಸೂಚನೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ.
To help elephants, please visit PETAindia.com.